Okay, I'm back again because I wanted to make sure you understood how to do this homework assignment. I realized the other homework assignment is super similar to the notes on my other video, but my notes don't really touch base on how to do this assignment. So we're gonna go ahead and practice some together. So I'm going to do 4 through 18 with you, and then you can do the top portion and the other half on your own, okay? So it says remove the parentheses by using the distributive property. So here we go. This is what I do. I highlight the outside number that's being multiplied by the parenthesis. So in this case, it's 4. 4 is being multiplied by on the outside of the parenthesis, and I distribute. So 4 times x and 4 times 3. So you're left with 4 times x like this, and 4 times 3. Okay, that's what it looks like. So you're left with 4x plus 12. And that is the answer. Just like that. All right, let's do another one. 5 is being multiplied by the parentheses. So we're gonna distribute. I always do arrows. Arrows remind me that I need to distribute inside both, to both terms. Okay. 5 times x is the first one. Okay, that did the first distribution. And then 5 times 8. And I kept the minus sign. So you have 5x minus, and that would be 40. Just like that. Oh shoot, now we have a negative. When I see a negative, I always remember that there's a secret 1 right there. So it's actually -1. And I'm going to distribute the -1 inside the parentheses to however many terms there are. So in this case, there's only 2 terms inside the parentheses. If there are more, then you would keep distributing. So -1 times x plus -1 times 7. And you're left with -1x plus -7. And you can write it like this as well, just -x plus -7. And then there's also another way you could write it too. So either or, whatever you're comfortable with. Again, another -1. And you distribute to however many terms in the parentheses. In this case, there's still 2. So it's -1 times x minus -1 times 7. -1 times x is -x minus -1 times 7 is -7. And can you write it like this? We don't ever see a problem written like this. What it means is it's actually, I'm gonna write this in a different color. -x plus 7, because of this. Okay, changes to addition. Minus a negative is also known as plus. Okay, next one. Well, where's the parenthesis? It's right there, and that's our goal, is to remove it. Well, how do we remove it? We use the distributive property. What is being multiplied by the parenthesis? It is just this 3. That's it. So you take the 3 and you multiply it into the parenthesis. So you're left with, that would be, no, I'm not going to switch this up. 3 times 2m, and then plus 3 times 5. And that gives you 6m plus and that would give you 15. That's how you just, and then you gotta bring the rest of it. So 6m is left over, and plus 7. And then if you remember, now we don't have to, it says no need to simplify, but if you want to challenge yourself, this is where we challenge ourselves by highlighting. So we have 6m. Well, what are like terms? I see like terms here. 6m, 6m. And then I see these are like terms. These are both constants. So we have a number with a variable. These have the same variable, and the variables have the same exponent. So we can combine them. So this equals 12m, and that is plus 22. Again, you don't have to do this, but you want to challenge. This is what you do. Okay, the next one. Okay, so this is another red flag. There's a -2 being multiplied by the parenthesis. This whole thing is what you multiply into the parenthesis. -2. So you have -2 times 3x, that's the first term, and then minus -2 times -7. Oh, positive 7, my bad. I already put it right there. And you're left with -6x, and you have that minus, and this is going to be -2 times 7, so that's going to be, watch how I do this. Can you see it? This actually equals -14, but watch this, -14. If that was confusing, please talk to me. I don't want to confuse you. Okay, and then the last one is bringing down the 9. So here's 9. And again, you can simplify this, so challenge yourself. I'm going to stop there my video right now, but if you need help with any of these problems, please let me know. I find this worksheet fun, so I hope you do too. All right, have a good day, everybody.